Hello children, today we are going to start Unit 2, Teamwork. Students, it is a poem. Do you like to work and play with others? When you like to play with others, when you help others, or when some work is done together, that is teamwork. The word team is collective noun. When we give one name to a group, that is called team. A team of 11 members, 7 members, whatever number may be. It may be 10, it may be 20, it may be 11, it may be 15. That is called teamwork. Now next page, page number 21. See, it is a poem. You can enjoy the poem. First of all, I am going to read the poem for you. You will listen it very, very carefully and try to understand the new word. It is given, let's sing and dance. So first of all, we will try to first of all read it. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. This is stanza 1, and there are 4 lines. Stanza 1 has got 4 lines. Similarly, there is one more stanza and total number of stanzas are 3. We come to stanza 2. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots, and the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We come to stanza 3 now. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Students, whenever we read a poem, the purpose is to enjoy it, to learn it properly, to sing it properly. And whenever you read a poem, there is in my previous video, I have told you that the poem has rhyming words. How to find rhyming words? We see the last word given in each line. See stanza 1, teamwork, teamwork. Now the last word is teamwork. Come to the second line, again work. Now teamwork and work, these words are rhyming together. See line number 3. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Now done, everyone, these words rhyme together. These words are rhyming together. Similarly, stanza 2, line number 3. And the relay race just can't go on. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. Now on, baton. Words are rhyming together. We come to stanza 3. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Now whole, goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Now plus, us. These words are rhyming together. Now let me tell you its meaning. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Whenever, according to the poet, whenever we do the work as a team member, then we have got only one purpose. All members strive for one goal, one aim, one object. Just as you must have seen in any game, it may be cricket game, football or any game, there are many members. In a kabaddi also there are many members. Now all members, they have got only one aim. The aim is to win the match anyhow. And all members help each other. So together we can make our dream work. Our dream work can be fulfilled if we are together, if we are united. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. So whatever we have completed, whatever we have won, we can share the joy. Teamwork, everyone. In a team, everyone is equally important. All members are equally important, and the credit goes to each and every member of the team. Stanza 2. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. You must have seen in a basketball, people throw the ball. If nobody passes, then nobody shoots. The ball should be passed by all the members to one another. Only then they can shoot. And the relay race just can't go on. Similarly, there is another game, relay race. In a relay, what is there? In a relay, the link is there. In a relay race, there are links, maybe link of 4 or 5. And in all members running in the race, they pass on the baton to one another of their respective team, so that the last member reaches earliest to the finishing point, so that he becomes a winner. So in relay race also, combined effort is required, joint effort is required. Without joint effort, there can't be success. We cannot reach our goal. Now stanza 3. We are the parts that make up the whole. We are the parts. You must have seen any object. See, bicycle. Bicycle has different parts. It has wheels, it has handle, it has pedals. Now all these are bind together. Only then they become a cycle. Your body is there, it has different parts, and all the parts have mutual understanding, coordination with each other to make you successful. We are the parts that make up the whole. Something is whole, but how does this whole made up of? This whole is made up of parts, and these parts are important. And we have got our eyes on a common goal. Similarly, whenever there is a team, all the team members have a common goal. Common. Goal is common. Goal is not for one person, one member. It is for every member. Sometimes it can be a big plus. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. So instead of keeping the idea I, instead of me, instead of you, when we declare ourselves that we are us, the effort is made by us, then that becomes a big success. Students, this poem has been composed by Jain Nigaro, name of the poet. Students, you have to learn this poem properly, and in case any problem is there, you can directly ring to me without any hesitation. Always feel free to let me know your problems so that I can help you in a better way. Now students, you have new words already given in the book. 4 or 5 words are there. You will note down in your notebook and you will learn them. Students, At page number 22, there is an exercise. Name the team members needed for the following. To play cricket, we need. Suppose you want to play cricket. Now what you need? Which members are required for you? You need batsmen, you need bowlers, you need fielders, coaches. There are other points also. To make a film we need. To run a good school we need. To run a restaurant we need. I shall send you answer of all these questions through WhatsApp messages so that you can complete it in your notebook. Students, we come to page number now 24. See, there is an exercise, picture composition. Picture composition. First of all, look at the picture. You will be able to see there are some people on work. They are busy with their work. All are working. Can you see? They are working. One mason is there, electrician is there, laborer is there, carpenter is there. All are busy. Now look at the exercise. Who is laying the bricks? You have to fill your words with the help of the words already given in the box. What are the words in the box? First of all, let me read for you. Plumber, painter, mason, electrician, laborer, carpenter, gardener. Question 1. Who is laying the bricks? Answer is mason. Question is who? Who is laying the bricks? Whenever a question is asked and beginning word is who, it means you have to name a person. Who is laying the bricks? Mason. Mason is the name of a person. So we will try to give the answer in full sentence. The mason is laying the bricks. Second one, who is holding the ladder? Look at the picture again. Who is holding the ladder? Laborer. So you will say the laborer is holding the ladder. Question 3. Who is the man on the ladder? Who is the man on the ladder? See, look at the picture. One man is working, standing on the ladder. Ladder means in Hindi, सीढ़ी, लकड़ी की सीढ़ी. Electrician, no doubt. Your answer will be electrician. So your complete answer will be electrician is the man on the ladder. Who is making the door? Once again look at the picture. Carpenter. Carpenter is making the door. The carpenter is making the door. Fifth one. Who is painting the walls? Now painting work is done by whom? Painter. So answer will be the painter is painting the walls. In this way you can complete this work. Okay students, today we stop here. There are more exercises of which at page number 26 exercise is there. I will send you the answer of this question. First, I will send you the answer of these questions on WhatsApp message on WhatsApp group. First of all, you should try it yourself. Okay, thanks.